Best Foldable Drones. Are you looking for the best foldable drones? In this video we will look at 5 of the best foldable drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Drone with Camera 1080p HD FPV. The 1080p HD FPV foldable drone is a versatile and user-friendly quadcopter designed for beginners and kids. With its advanced features, it offers an enjoyable flying experience, making it an ideal choice for newcomers to drone flying or those looking for an affordable drone with high-quality camera capabilities. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera, this drone allows users to capture clear, sharp photos and videos during flight. The FPV first-person view feature enables real-time video streaming directly to your mobile device, giving you a unique view from the sky. This makes it perfect for capturing aerial footage or simply enjoying the perspective of flying. The drone boasts several easy-to-use controls, including voice and gesture control, which add an extra layer of convenience and fun, allowing users to command the drone with simple voice commands or hand gestures. Additionally, the one-key takeoff and landing feature simplifies the operation, making it easier for beginners to control the drone. The optical flow positioning system ensures stable flight by using sensors to keep the drone steady, even when hovering in place, which is particularly useful for beginners. This drone also supports 360 degrees flips, adding an element of excitement and creativity to the flight experience. With waypoint flying, users can set flight paths, and the drone will follow the predetermined route autonomously. The foldable design makes the drone compact and portable, and it comes with a convenient carrying case for easy storage and transport. In summary, the 1080p HD FPV foldable drone offers a range of beginner-friendly features, including voice and gesture control, stable positioning, and the ability to capture high-quality footage. It's an excellent choice for both kids and adults looking to explore drone flying in a fun and accessible way. Number 2. Mini Drone with Camera. The Mini Drone with Camera is a compact, foldable quadcopter designed for both adults and kids, offering a range of features that make it suitable for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera, it delivers clear, high-quality aerial footage, allowing users to capture both photos and videos with ease. The FPV first-person view feature lets users stream live video to their mobile device, enhancing the flying experience by providing a unique perspective from the sky. This drone features stable altitude hold, which helps maintain steady flight, making it easier to control, especially for beginners. The gravity control function allows users to control the drone's movement by tilting their smartphone, offering a more intuitive flying experience. Additionally, the trajectory flight feature enables users to draw a flight path on the screen, and the drone will automatically follow it, adding a fun and interactive element to the flight. The 90 degrees adjustable lens provides flexibility in capturing different angles and perspectives, ensuring that you can capture a wide variety of shots. The drone also includes a one-key takeoff and landing function, simplifying the operation and making it user-friendly for those new to flying drones. For extended flight time, the drone comes with 2 batteries, allowing users to enjoy longer flight sessions without the need to recharge immediately. The foldable design makes the drone easy to carry and store, making it perfect for on-the-go adventures. In summary, the Mini Drone with Camera is an excellent choice for beginners and hobbyists. Its combination of user-friendly controls, stable flight features, and high-quality camera makes it perfect for capturing memorable moments while enjoying a fun and interactive flying experience. Number 3. Drone with Camera. The Drone with Camera is a compact and versatile quadcopter designed for kids, beginners, and drone enthusiasts. It features a 2K HD camera that captures high-definition photos and videos, providing a clear and detailed aerial perspective. With the FPV first-person view feature, users can stream live video directly to their mobile devices, offering an immersive flying experience. One of the standout features of this drone is its brushless motor, which ensures smoother, quieter, and more efficient flight compared to traditional motors, enhancing both performance and durability. The drone also includes altitude hold, which helps stabilize the drone at a consistent height, making it easier to fly and control, especially for beginners. For added convenience, the drone comes with gesture selfie control, allowing users to take photos or videos with simple hand gestures, making it easy to capture moments mid-flight. The one-key takeoff and landing function simplifies the drone's operation, making it easy for anyone to start and end their flight with just the press of a button. The drone also features 3D flips, adding a fun and acrobatic element to your flights, and waypoint flying, allowing users to draw a flight path on their mobile device for the drone to follow automatically. The foldable design makes it easy to carry and store, making it ideal for travel and outdoor adventures. Additionally, the drone comes with 2 batteries, extending the flight time for longer sessions without frequent recharges. In summary, the 2K HD FPV drone offers a range of fun and functional features, including high-definition video, gesture selfies, stable flight, and acrobatic tricks, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and more experienced drone pilots. Number 4. Drone with camera. The drone with 1080p camera is a user-friendly and versatile quadcopter designed for beginners and kids. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera, it allows users to capture high-quality photos and videos from an aerial perspective, enhancing the overall flying experience. The FPV, first-person view, feature enables live video streaming directly to your mobile device, providing an immersive view from the sky. Designed with simplicity in mind, this drone offers voice control, allowing users to operate it with simple verbal commands, adding an interactive element to the flying experience. Additionally, the gesture selfie feature enables users to take photos or videos using hand gestures, making it easy to capture moments during flight without needing to touch the controller. For stability and ease of control, the drone includes altitude hold, which maintains a consistent height during flight, preventing unwanted fluctuations. The one-key start and landing function simplifies takeoff and landing, making it perfect for beginners and kids to handle. The drone also supports 3D flips, allowing users to perform acrobatic stunts and adding an element of fun to the flying experience. The drone is designed to be foldable, making it portable and easy to carry, and it comes with 2 batteries, extending flight time for longer sessions. This makes it an excellent choice for outdoor adventures or just casual flying around the house or yard. In summary, the 1080p camera drone is an excellent toy for both boys and girls, offering a combination of ease of use, stable flight, fun features like voice control and 3D flips, and the ability to capture high-quality photos and videos. It's perfect for young drone enthusiasts and beginners looking to enjoy an engaging and easy-to-fly drone. Number 5. Mini drone with camera. The mini drone with camera is a compact and feature-packed drone designed for beginners and adults alike. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera, it delivers clear, high-quality photos and videos, allowing users to capture breathtaking aerial shots. The FPV, first-person view, feature streams live video directly to your mobile device, providing a real-time, immersive flying experience. This foldable drone is designed for easy storage and portability, making it convenient for travel or casual flying. It comes with a carrying case, ensuring that the drone and accessories are safely stored and easy to carry. The 90 degrees adjustable lens offers flexibility in capturing different angles, allowing for diverse photo and video options. For smooth and stable flight, the drone features altitude hold, which maintains a consistent altitude and reduces the effort needed to keep the drone steady in the air. The one-key takeoff and landing function simplifies the operation, making it user-friendly and accessible, especially for those new to flying drones. The drone also offers 360 degrees flips, allowing users to perform acrobatic maneuvers and adding a fun, playful element to the flying experience. The inclusion of 2 batteries extends the flight time, enabling longer flying sessions without the need to recharge immediately. In summary, The mini drone with camera is an excellent choice for both beginners and adults, offering a range of exciting features like high-quality video capture, stable flight, and fun tricks like 360-degree flips. Its portability, ease of use, and versatile camera make it an ideal drone for casual flying or gifting to anyone interested in aerial photography and drone flying.